Namaskar. It is commonly believed that prostatic problems only start in old age, and that is true to some extent because most of the times the prostatic enlargement, or commonly known as BPH, or benign prostatic hyperplasia, it is seen after the age of 45 or 50. With age, the prostate starts to enlarge and can cause urinary symptoms. But commonly, it is seen between the age of 25 to 45 also. Men have urinary symptoms related to the prostate. So if the ultrasound is done, normally there will be no prostatic enlargement or maybe mild prostatic enlargement is seen. But because of this enlargement or swelling, the urinary symptoms can appear. So most of the times patients experience urinary frequency, not finding satisfaction after passing urine, and going urination in daytime and nighttime multiple times, and sometimes suprapubic region pain is also present. Many patients experience erectile dysfunction associated with that, and it is also a risk factor for premature ejaculation. So if the problem is happening, we should know what are the risk factors for developing prostatitis. One major important risk factor is smoking or consumption of tobacco products like pan masala, gutkha. Smoking is a very prominent risk factor. Second risk factor is obesity, yani increased body weight. Third thing is less physical activity. Fourth risk factor is less sexual activity. So many times middle-aged men who are not very sexually active, they can develop infection in the prostate, and because they are not having frequent ejaculation, the infection that is difficult to clear from the prostate. And sitting and sedentary jobs add further risk to this problem. Being aware is the best prevention. Stay healthy, stay safe.